Good morning. Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020. Yesterday was Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Friday. The month of the year is April. One more day till we can say it's already May. So let's say it all together. Thursday, April 30th, 2020. It is almost May. The weather is 80 degrees. And don't remember your daily healthy habit tips. Remember to be active at least 30 minutes a day. And today's agenda, we are going to be working on IEP goals number 1 and number 2. And don't forget to do all your other daily lessons as well. So how are you feeling today? I am feeling happy because it is almost Friday.